In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce IP address. I'll give 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to review and add the external addresses your Salesforce org connects to, which is essential when you need to validate the URLs or IPs your integrations rely on. First, log into your Salesforce org using an account with administrative permissions. You'll need setup access for the next steps. If you're in Lightning Experience, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. Click that gear to open settings. Then choose the option that takes you to the full setup area. Depending on your layout, you might see Advanced Setup or go straight to Setup Home. Either will bring you to the admin console where we can search for what we need. Once you're on the setup page, use the quick find search bar on the left. Type Remote Site Settings. This tool is where Salesforce keeps a list of external addresses your org is allowed to call out to. It's the go-to place when someone asks you to check or confirm the domains or IPs that Salesforce is permitted to reach. Click Remote Site Settings from the search results to open the list page. Here you'll see any sites that are already configured. To add a new one or validate the format, click New Remote Site. This opens a form where we'll provide the details. Start by entering a clear remote site name. Use a name that makes it obvious what the connection is for, such as the system or service name. Consistent naming helps with maintenance and auditing later. Next, enter the remote site URL. This can be a domain, a specific endpoint, or, if required by your integration, an IP-based URL. Make sure to include the protocol, like HTTPS, and double-check there are no typos or extra spaces. If you're unsure whether to use a base domain or a full path, follow your integrations documentation and keep the scope as narrow as practical. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, you'll be returned to the Remote Site Settings list where you can confirm the entry is present. This list is effectively where you check which URLs or IPs Salesforce is set up to access for outbound callouts, which is often what teams mean when they say check the Salesforce IP address for an integration. That's it. You logged in, opened setup, searched for remote site settings, created a new remote site with a clear name and URL, and saved your changes. If you need to review or update this again, just return to the same place in setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.